If you receive an IRS notice, well, you don't want to ignore them because then you're risking collection action. Today, I'm going to talk with you about notices that are the most important for you to pay attention to. Hello, my name is John DeLucci. I'm an enrolled agent and a certified tax resolution specialist, and what I do is help people resolve problems with the IRS. And my first piece of advice to you is don't ignore any of your IRS letters. It's a common thing for new clients to come in with stacks of unopened letters. And the problem is that if you don't open them, you don't know what they say, and you could be losing out on valuable appeal rights. Once you open them, if you find them confusing, then take them to a tax professional and have that person look at them and tell you what they mean. So let's talk about some of the most common IRS notices. The CP-14 is the one that is sent to you approximately 5 weeks after your tax return is processed. All it does is say, hello, by the way, you owe us some money, okay? Now, it'll be at least 5 weeks after that before the next one comes out, which is the CP-501. And that one says basically the same thing. Oh, by the way, maybe you forgot you owe us some money. At least 5 weeks later, the next notice comes out. It's the CP-503. This one's going to be worded a little more strongly, kind of something along the lines of, hey, dummy, you owe us some money. Now, it'll be at least 5 weeks before the next one comes out, which is the CP-504. That is the Notice of Intent to Levy. Now, what it gives the IRS the ability to do is levy your state income tax refund. So it comes certified, it looks all scary, but in reality, if you don't have state income tax, it's not much of a threat. So I practice in Texas. It's no threat at all in the state of Texas. Now, at least 5 weeks after that, what will come out is the final notice of intent to levy. This one you have to pay attention to because 30 days after the date on this letter, the IRS is legally allowed to levy. Okay, they can clean out your bank account. They can do all sorts of things along those lines, garnish wages, etc. The two most common forms are the LT11. Okay, so you'll see that on the top right-hand corner of the notice, LT11. That comes from the IRS computer systems. Now, if you have a revenue officer assigned specifically to you, you'll get a letter 1058. They're equivalent notices, mean the exact same thing. 30 days after the date on that letter, the IRS is legally allowed to take collection action for that tax period, unless within those 30 days, you file for a collection due process hearing, in which case you'll be protected from collection action at least until the day after the appeals conference. Now, hopefully this video has made you feel comfortable about which IRS notices you have to truly pay attention to. Now, if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to work with us, click on the link in the description.